So I got right. That is taut.
Ay, no. No, no, no.
No está así, pero aparece.
No, Dios mío, no, no, no.
Are you ready, Mama?
Are you ready? Come on, scooch out the way, darling. Out the way. Come on. Oh, this is getting me as well. I'll put these outside. Okay, everybody, it's time to say bye-bye to Mama. Can Mama say goodbye to the viewers, honey? Say bye-bye. Say thank you for watching. Look, oh, okay. She didn't want to. You gonna jump in? What do you think? Oh, she says I'm going in by myself. Look at that. So cooperative. Look at that. Good job, Mama. She's all ready. Thank you. Who was a good girl? Oh my God, that's so good. Oh, good girl. Look at you. Good girl. Okay, say bye-bye to Mama. Say bye-bye to Mama. How do you do this? Say bye-bye to Mommy. Mommy's going, okay? You'll be okay. Say bye-bye to Mama.
It's,
Alright?
I think it's kind of small.
Yes.
So it was small for me.
Just about big enough for her, but she can't really lay down, but it's fine. It's a short journey, right? Alright, say bye-bye, Mama. Say bye-bye to your babies. Say bye-bye, Mama. Have a good life. You did your job. She did a good job raising the babies. Yeah, well done.
And if someone adopt the cat, can you tell us?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Le digo que si nos puede avisar
And
cuando
we can put you in
adoptáramos.
touch with them if you want.
Ubi, ya, sí. Thank
And then
so
you can
much.
like, send pictures and stuff.
Que nos puede mandar como y nos mandan fotos también de los gaticos. Okay, mami. Ready?
Bye. Bye, everybody.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank you guys so
everything.
much.
I know. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, you.
Okay, you want to go and take these? Keep these out the way.
Me hables, porfa. Bye.
Okay, go to the tree. On the spot, okay? There you go. You can make Wi-Fi out the window. Okay, okay.